In this video, I'm going to help you improve your British pronunciation, starting with long A and short A. First, let's look at short A. The sound is short and quick. A, cat. A, hat. A, apple. Now, I want you to say them after me. A, cat. A, hat. A, apple. Well done. Now let's look at the long A. The sound is long. A, cake. A, plane. A, rake. Now I want you to repeat after me. A, cake. A, plane. A, rake. Well done. Good job. Now let's look at some short A and long A words that kind of look a little bit the same, but you say them differently. So I will say and then you will repeat after me. Cat, Kate. Cat, Kate. Mad, make. Mad, make. Plan, plane. Plan, plane. Can, cape. Can, cape. Tap, tape. Tap, tape. Now let's do some sentence practice. First, I want you to read the sentence. How do you think it's read? Then I will read and then you will copy me. Okay? So I want you to read this sentence. The cat sat on the mat. The cat sat on the mat. Okay, how do you say this sentence? Kate made a big cake. Kate made a big cake. Now, how about this sentence? How do you think you say this? Don't cap the bottle, it's a cape. Don't cap the bottle, it's a cape. Now we're going to read a story together to practice even more your British accent. So I'm going to read the sentence and then you will shadow and read after me. Kate has a cat called Max. Max sat on the mat while Kate made a cake. When the cake was ready, Max tried to take a bite. Kate said, "Bad cat, this cake's for me." So Max ran away and found his hat instead. Now we have a little quiz to see if this video has helped you. Is this the long or short A? This is the short A. Mags is short A. Is this the long or short A? Made. This is the long A. Is this the long or short A? Cap. Cap. This is the short A. Is this the long or short A? Plane. Plane. This is the long A. Is this the long or the short A? Tap. Tap. This is the short A. Well done, you made it to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed practicing your British accent with the long and short A. Don't forget to like and subscribe my videos, and if you follow, then you can keep up to date with all my new videos. See you later.